Hello Hawks, it's me again, Mrs. Thompson. Just wanted to give you a refresher on how to create your animoto and how to send it to me. So of course you're first going to go on to animoto.com. You're going to get into the login screen. You don't want to sign up, you want to log in. So we're going to click login right here. You're going to put your login, which is going to be your 5-digit number at moonarea.net. Your password is your 5-digit number, no spaces, with your first name all lowercase. So you're going to plug that in, and you're going to come up to the screen that has your dashboard, hopefully some of the animotos that you've already created. You're going to go into create. We want to do a new one. When you get to this screen, you're going to log on to the create over where it says Animoto Memories. Click on that, and then you're going to simply go ahead and pick what background you want to use. They call it video style. Pick whatever background that you want to use. You don't want to use anything that has premium, obviously, because that's not part of the free package. So I'll pick one. You can preview it if you want to. It goes through the preview. Or just simply go ahead and click Create Video, and it will take you to your slides. So again, two main things you can do. You can add a photo, or you can add text. So your picture, you would just click on the plus, go into Upload, and go into whatever folder you saved your picture. So this is an application where you actually have to download them from the internet unless you've already got pictures on your desktop that you're using. So you've got to put them into a folder and then upload them. You can't simply copy and paste. So grab a picture that will go into, there's a great picture of Mrs. Broderick, that goes into your slide. The words can go after, the captions can go after the picture, not before. So if I wanted to add a caption to this, I simply could say, remember there's only a certain number of spaces that you can use. So this is 50 spaces. And so I'm just going to put best science teacher ever. And we're going to save that. And if I just want to do text, I can do text and say this is my title. And that could be the title of my whole animoto. If I want the title to be my first slide, I can simply move that over and again keep adding slides until I am done. When you're done, you can click on your preview video. You can see what it looks like. You can, if you want to, change your song. You can change the style, which is the background, even if you have all of your pictures in here already. This over here gives you your settings. You can paste the pictures. This tells you how long the song is. Your videos you can do up to about 5 minutes. When you're done with everything, you want to click on produce. Then you're going to name this, and then you could maybe just make it your name if you want to. So I could just put my name in here. Instead of saying my animoto video, I could just say Thompson. Make sure I spell my name right. You don't have to worry about the date, it's already in there. You don't have to worry about a description. Down here, it will tell you to finish it. So you can simply click the finish button and it brings you to finalizing it. Make sure it gets all the way to the end before you choose to go ahead and send it. When it gets to the end, it will be done, give you the options to go ahead and send it. Do make sure that it finalizes all the way to the end before you send it. Simply after that, all you're going to do is click on what you want to do. Do you want to share it? Which we do. We're going to share it through email. If you want, you can simply copy this link, send it into any email, any document that you want. Or if you just want to send it directly to me, and then you're going to do bthompson@moonarea.net. And then in your message, if you can say, share with Hawks. I want to know if you'll let me share this with the rest of the team so we all can see it together. If it's just for me to view, that's fine too, but I thought it'd be fun to share them with everybody else. When you get that done, I would like to make sure your name is on here somewhere because it won't show up in your email since your email is simply a number. So you could put your last name, which would be Smith, and then say share with the Hawks, and then simply send that directly to me, and then it says your email has, or I'm sorry, your video has been emailed. So I'm excited, can't wait to watch the videos that you send. If you have any questions, please definitely email me and let me know what I can help you with. Good luck, looking forward to watching them all.